Although Frances does not appear to be overly concerned, Matt is very worried about her declining function and further falls. He is worried what will happen if Frances has a serious injury the next time she falls. So I think that's all straightforward enough, and we can get straight to setting goals.
Yeah.
So I think the first goal should be around Parkinson's and her declining function.
Now, Brian, can I just bring you back just a little bit? You know, like we have a 7-step process now, and I know you're all very familiar with it, but maybe we could go back and look at clarification of some terms and defining what the key items, you know, the key words.
I think it's kind of straightforward enough, and we have gone through this process a good few times before, so I'd be happy to get straight to the goals.
It just takes so long to do that.
Oh yes, you know, I understand we're all in a great hurry to get right through the point, but there's some gems inside in this trigger, you know, such as the definition of what a fall is, you know, also, sorry?
It's just hard to know what a fall is. I know you said the definition is here, but it'd be a lot more benefit to us if we set our learning goals now, and then we can find out what a fall really is and not get it wrong now when we're discussing it for about a half an hour.
Yeah, but that discussion gets so boring because we're going round and round in circles.
And no one knows.
What we're talking about.
Yeah.
And besides, we've done this process hundreds of times.
Oh, I agree, you have done the process, but the point is you're getting stronger at doing the process, so there is that urgency to, you know, just shoot forward and skip some very, very, you know, very important points, such as maybe the psychological impact on the family, which is much wider than just Parkinson's itself, the change in role of the husband, the change in role of her son, and the change on Frances herself not being able to play bridge. And we might just fast forward there, you know, rather than having a deep understanding of what's going on, especially when you're out in front of some of your clients.
Will our time not be better spent though, actually learning what's right than discussing what we don't know anything about here? I mean, we have exams coming up, so.
Oh yeah.
Sorry?
I have experience on placement with Parkinson's. I met a lady, and some of the things I remember is like her speech was very hard to understand. She had a shuffling gait, so she fell a lot. So we're kind of looking at that. So, I mean, there is a lot to that we could talk about together.
Yeah, that's great. That's really good contribution, and this could trigger off some what is inside in the case there. She talks about being self-dependent, but yet she's using furniture. You know, we need to trash out elements like this as part of our discussion.
I really feel it'd be just a waste of time going through the process of discussing each individual part of the case. If we just get straight to the goals, we've one made already, and just set a few more and go and research our goals, would be a lot easier.